Can you spell the word cow?
Yes, we can spell the word cow. C-O-W, the word is cow.
Advance the my cow. I love you, my cow. I need you, my cow. You make me wow. You give me skin. You give me milk. You give me manure to look out down. Produce children. I take it to market. I sell get money and I buy chapa. Chokomfuira bampalana. Ngoko zisamaiga. Happy birthday, my cow. How old are you? I wish you success, my cow. I wish you more years, my cow. My cow, you make me wow.
Happy birthday, my cow. Happy birthday, my cow. Happy birthday, dear cow. Happy birthday, my cow.
Amatago marunji, kaodanga manyua. Kandi kuwade keki na yetojirya, eswiryo werire. Advance the my cow. I love you, my cow. Advance the my cow. I love you, my cow. Tirerabira wansi mukibali. Wanto wanfula ekyoka olinda. Genda kukubamba okove mwakanana. Nongo live my cow. That's my cow. Wankuwe kasoda. Aibe iwe kanguwe saboni.
Happy birthday, my cow. Happy birthday, my cow. Happy birthday, dear cow. Happy birthday, my cow.
Wekume my cow. Zengeze my cow. Wekume my cow. Just wish you happy birthday. My cow, my cow, my cow, my cow, my cow.